Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to look at the Sticker Machines kit that PLS has available for member public libraries to borrow. This can be used to support programming or for staff to become familiar with items before purchasing their own. The Sticker Machines kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks. Included in the kit are the sticker machines, a PLS lending policy, an inventory list, and instructions. Let's take a look at how to use the sticker machines. These are the 3 sticker machines included in the kit. There are 3 different sizes. From left to right, we have the 1.5 inch, the 2.5 inch, and the 5-inch machines. The machines use refill cartridges to create stickers. Libraries can choose to purchase their own sticker machine refills for exclusive use, or you can use the supplies included in the kit up to a certain limit. If you are using the supplies provided, we ask that you do not use more than 6 feet worth of the refill cartridges. In the kit, we've included a supplies measurement tool that you can use to measure the length of supplies used. We are not asking for proof from libraries, so please do not send back pieces of paper or used supplies. This tool is meant to make the refill cartridges last longer, so lots of libraries have the chance to try it out. Please do not open the sticker machines. Now, to create the actual sticker, you will need to prepare your art. I recommend using regular paper, whether you're printing or coloring. However, you can use other types of materials like ribbon, photographs, and fabric. I would stay away from using anything that is thicker than cardstock. You will need to make sure you cut your sticker into a size that will fit one of the 3 machines, and then feed it into the main opening. Most of the machines work the same way, but here are some videos to show you how all 3 of them work. And this is what the completed stickers look like. Please pack up the kit the same way that items are sent. If you notice missing or damaged items, please contact the consulting department and we will see that they are replaced or dealt with. To request the Sticker Machines kit, please check the current procedures on the PLS website under Programming Kits. If you want to learn more or have ideas for other kits, please contact the consulting department.